Here we come to the elevator at the medical research building. This is a generic elevator with Innovation Bruiser. This is the service car. We're going to start by going down. Innovation with an incandescent light bulb. Oh. A little bit of pre-door, a little bit of classic leveling. Let's see if we can go up to roof. Nope.
We're going down first.
Oh, yep. So basement. One works. Yep.
Here we go.
A little bit of classic leveling. Yeah, that's a lot. Let's go up to 4, and the door closes, does not work. There we go. Let's get our cap view as we go up. This thing is huge. It's really fast. Here we are on 4. Let's get a video of the leveling. Awesome. Here we are on 4. Let's see if we'll ring the bell if we go down. The door closes when you push the button. Here we are on 1. It says door hold.
Remember they can like load giant things for this thing.
Yeah, there's what is there under there?
Basement.
Yeah, there's the basement. There's the basement. Bell's already ringing. It's going down. And it's gonna go. It should close up. There we go. And that's it.